So counter, share natin yung pungkan orange natin. So this one is pungkan orange. So bali, this pungkan orange is budded. So meaning to say, nagtanim tayo ng buto at nung tumubo at sa tama na laki, kumuha tayo ng mata from the mother tree na namumunga na, and we make sure that it's a good variety. So this one is the rootstock, meaning to say this side, itong side na to is from the rootstock, meaning to say may buto, pinatubo natin. Tapos yung side na to is the bud we get from the mother tree na namumunga na. So that's why it's budded. So meaning to say, it's because it's budded, namumunga ito ng mas madali compared to ordinary seedlings. You don't wait for years, but pwede na itong mamunga pag nalagay sa tamang lalagyan, malaking lalagyan, at nabigyan ng tamang alaga. So this one is available, and if you want to order, just message us, click the message button, or call or text sa mobile number na nilagay namin sa Facebook page at sa website namin. Thank you and have a good day. Happy planting.